Ever wondered why carp intestines are considered a culinary treasure in India but is often dismissed in the USA? Could a fish with a reputation for tasting muddy actually be a high-priced delicacy? Keep watching as we dive into the world of the common carp and reveal its unexpected culinary potential. Serving up smiles one dish at a time, Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hello Moody Foodies! Today we're diving into an adventure that'll change the way you look at a fish that's been hiding in plain sight. Ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about carp? It challenged other fish in a taste test and the results will surprise you. In the vibrant and bustling markets of India, amidst the myriad of colorful spices and tantalizing aromas, lies a culinary underdog that's often overlooked by many, especially those hailing from places like the USA. This underdog is none other than the common carp, a fish that's seldom given a second thought in Western culinary traditions but holds a place of esteem in the diverse palette of Indian cuisine. What sets the common carp apart in India isn't just its size, which can rival that of a small shark, but the unique delicacy hidden within, its intestines. Why are the intestines of a fish so highly valued in Indian cuisine, and what does it taste like? Contrary to expectations, these are not merely discarded as waste but are celebrated for their culinary potential, fetching surprisingly high prices in the market. The revelation of the carp's value in Indian cuisine is a testament to the ingenious ways in which every part of an ingredient can be utilized, challenging the preconceived notions of what is considered edible and what is not. The journey of the common carp from market to meal takes us to a place whimsically dubbed a fish hotel, which in reality is a restaurant, a term that carries a dual meaning due to historical linguistic mix-ups. It's here that the carp undergoes a transformation, showcasing the simplicity and elegance of Assamese cooking. The fish is prepared with minimal seasonings, a stark contrast to the heavy spice blends associated with other regional Indian cuisines. Just salt and turmeric are used before the fish is fried, resulting in a dish that's celebrated for its crunchiness, lightness, and the rich, fatty texture of the meat. But the culinary adventure doesn't end with fried fish. How does a dish as unconventional as intestine fried fish fit into the tradition of Indian cuisine? And could it redefine our understanding of comfort food? The carp's intestines find their way into an audacious dish: intestine fried rice, prepared with a base of fried dried chilies, onion, garlic, turmeric, and salt. The intestines are mixed in, absorbing the spices before being combined with rice. The dish exemplifies the adventurous spirit and innovation of local cuisine, making use of an ingredient that many would overlook, thereby offering a dish rich in flavors and textures. This exploration into the utilization of the common carp in India illuminates the broader narrative of Indian cuisine, where innovation and tradition converge to create dishes that challenge and delight the palate. It's a reminder of the culinary creativity that thrives in regions across the world, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary through the art of cooking. So who has it right? The Americans for avoiding carp or the Indians? Now, why don't Americans favor carp, a fish widely consumed elsewhere? This question delves not just taste preferences but also cultural attitudes and the nuances of fish preparation. The common carp, abundant yet often overlooked in the US, faces skepticism due to its bottom-feeding nature and the resultant muddy flavor, a far cry from the American palate's preferences. Could changing the way we prepare carp alter its reputation among American diners? To counter this, intensive pre-cooking processes like milk soaking are suggested to neutralize the fishy taste, a procedure seen as too laborious by many. Additionally, concerns about the carp's habitat leading to the accumulation of pollutants further deter its consumption. Compounding the issue is the carp's complex bone structure, featuring troublesome Y bones, which complicates achieving the boneless fillets favored in American cuisine. While skilled filleting can overcome this, it requires significant effort and culinary endurance, often demanding specialized skills and equipment. Yet, as culinary trends evolve towards sustainability and ethical eating, the common carp presents an untapped opportunity. Despite preparation challenges, innovative cooking methods, ranging from frying to smoking, enhanced with simple yet effective seasonings, can unlock delightful flavors and textures from this versatile fish. Will the push for sustainability encourage Americans to give carp a second chance on their plates? This shift not only enriches the culinary landscape but also promotes more sustainable dietary choices, encouraging a reevaluation of what's considered palatable and valuable in our diets. The gradual acceptance of carp could signify a broader embrace of overlooked species, aligning with growing environmental consciousness and a willingness to explore unconventional food sources. The battle against invasive species like Asian carp in the United States is not just an ecological struggle, it's also a culinary opportunity. These fish, initially introduced to control algae in aquaculture ponds, have become notorious for their rapid spread and the subsequent impact on native fish populations. However, the narrative around Asian carp is shifting from problem to potential resource. Professionals dedicated to wildlife conservation see working with Asian carp as a chance to learn and implement strategies for managing invasive species. Could a culinary exploration of Asian carp change the way we view invasive species as a whole? Well, there's a taste test for that. The challenge extends to the kitchen. Can these fish be made palatable, and how do they compare in taste to more familiar varieties? The process of filleting Asian carp, similar to that of other fish but with particular attention to removing Y bones and red meat, demonstrates the feasibility of transforming them into enjoyable dishes. A significant taste test involving over 300 participants revealed a surprising preference for Asian carp over popular choices like tilapia and catfish, whether fried or steamed. This outcome suggests that, beyond their ecological impact, Asian carp offer culinary value. Embracing these fish as a food source not only provides a sustainable option, but also contributes to controlling their population, turning a problematic invasion into a beneficial harvest for the ecosystem and the dinner table alike. Americans may be missing out. Discovering the untapped potential of Asian carp and its intestines shows us that every challenge can become an opportunity. What are your thoughts on giving invasive species a place at our tables? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the most sustainable choices are swimming against the current. Keep your plates adventurous and your minds open. See you in the next video.